Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 12, the past tense. So what is past tense? Past tense is a tense which tells us about all the actions and all the works which had been done in the past moment. Means past tense refer to all the action that had happened before the present moment. It also refer to the states that existed in the past. So mainly past tense means all those actions which had happened before the present moment and which had done in the past. So past tense is mainly of four different kinds. The different types of past tense are simple past, past perfect tense, past continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. So first of all we will read about the simple past tense. Simple past tense is used for indicating an action that took place in the past. So simple past tense tells us about any kind of action which had happened in the past. Like examples, the bird flew in the air. Ankit met me 2 months back. A cat jumped over the wall. Aarti felt sorry for her mistake. So these are the examples of simple past tense. This all examples tells us about the kind of action which had been done in the past. What are the uses of simple past tense? Number 1. Simple past tense is used to indicate an action that took place at a particular time in the past. Example, the old woman crossed the road very carefully. So simple past tense it tells us about the action which had been done at a particular time in the past. Number 2, to express an action that began and ended in the past. So simple past tense it also tells us about the action which had started and ended in the past period only. Like example, the soldiers fought the battle bravely. So it started in the past period and it also ended in the past period. Number 3 tells us to express a past habit or regular action in the past. So simple past tense tells us about the past habit or regular action which had been happened in the past. Like example, he went to the college every morning. So it was a regular habit in the past. So it tells us that he went to the college every morning. It describes up about a regular action. So the sentence is in simple past tense. So the structure of simple past tense is subject plus V2 plus object or complement. So whenever in a sentence V2 is present, it is in simple past tense. Negative sentence in simple past tense. Now read this sentence given below. I did not get up early in the morning. C did not say anything. Hitesh did not complete his work. So these are the negative sentences in simple past tense. So to form negative sentence in simple past tense, we have to follow this structure. Subject plus did not plus verb means V1 form, present form, plus object or complement. How to form interrogative sentence in simple past tense? See the examples. Did you go to the market yesterday? Did Ankita sing well? Did she go for a movie yesterday? So to form interrogative sentence in simple past tense, the sentence must start with the word did and after did the subject should be written. See the formation: did plus subject plus verb which will be in present form plus object or complement. So this is the structure of interrogative sentence in simple past tense. Now we will come to the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used for expressing an action that was in progress at some time in the past and was not completed by that time. So past continuous tense is the second form of past tense. It tells us about the kind of action which had started in the past time and was not completed by that time, was not completed at the past time. So examples are: I was waiting for my friend. Boys were flying kites in the evening. So these are examples of past continuous tense. Now we will see uses of past continuous tense. To express an action that was happening at the time of speaking. Past continuous tells us about the kind of action which was happening at the time of speaking. When the person is speaking and that action was happening at that time, past continuous tense tells us about that action. Example, they were swimming in the pool. Second point tells us that to express an action going on at some time in the past. So to past continuous tense tells us about any action which is going at that particular time in the past, like the children were flying kites. So it tells us about the kind of action which started at the past moment and it was going on that particular time in the past. Third point tells us to describe the situation or while telling stories. So the third point says us that past continuous tells us about the kind of situation, or we can use past continuous tense while telling stories. Like example, the mob was shouting and chasing the thief. Now we will see negative sentences in past continuous tense. How to form negative sentence in past continuous tense? Some of the examples are given. He was not looking at his parents. They were not reading books. To form negative sentence in past continuous tense, not is added between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. So to form negative sentence in past continuous tense, we have to add not between the auxiliary verb, which is also known as helping verb, and the main verb. See, the structure of the negative sentence in past continuous tense is given that first of all we will write subject. After that, was, were plus not plus verb. Verb should be in present participle form plus object or complement. Now how to form interrogative sentence in past continuous tense? Look at the sentences given below. Was the cobbler mending the shoes? Were the boys playing a cricket? So these are the interrogative sentence in past continuous tense. So to form interrogative sentences in past continuous tense, we have to start the sentence with was or were. So first of all we will write was, were plus subject plus verb. Verb should be in present participle form plus object or complement, and a question mark should be put. So this is the structure of interrogative sentence in past continuous tense. So students, today we will do up to past continuous tense. So your homework is to go through the chapter up to taught. That's all for today. Thank you.